being in front of the camera. I don't know about everyone else, but I think everyone done exceptionally well today with being filmed in front of the camera.
I think it's another achievement or something to say, like I've done that. Like I survived the day. Like,
well, you definitely survived the day. There's no doubt in that.
You thrived today.
Something to look back on.
Yeah. Understanding stories of our lives. Scene 1, take 1.
Hi, Abby.
Hello. I was just chatting the other day about how long you've been joined at Watch, but I was thinking to myself, because we're now in 2026, I've joined Watch about 8-9 years ago now, and I think it's just being part of the Watch project and meeting yourself and everybody else has definitely allowed me, I suppose, to be my authentic self. But yeah, I was just sort of thinking like what your experience was when you first joined, because we obviously met each other initially, didn't we?
So I'm going to break the fourth wall for a minute because you're a massive elephant in the room, and so I just got to do that. Got to acknowledge it, because otherwise my brain will not stop shouting at me. Okay, hi everybody. So I first came to Watch, I believe, towards the end of 2023, so a couple of years ago. I've got my Watch, photo shirt on, because I'm a member who volunteers, and that's why I have this, to represent Watch. And something that I've been able to do recently is run my first Qigong session. And finding your centre. It works with energy channels in the body, meridians, and the fascia in the body, which is like the connecting tissues. And instead of it being alternative, it's very much complementary. Yeah, it goes, okay, thank you. This is Frank, by the way. He's helping me stay grounded.
And action.
Frank, you obviously have been part of the Watch project for a little while now, and you were introduced to the Watch project through Ali. I just want to, just sort of how that sort of developed, and you know what you were doing maybe before, and how you came to come to us through Ali.
So I started off at ARC cooking veterans breakfast every Wednesday, and later on in the year we had a camp out at ARC, and that's where I met Ali. She came to the camp out, we just sat talking for hours, and then it was much later we were seeing each other as peers and friends. We were doing a bit of guitar together, teaching Ali some firelighting skills and campfire skills. And we ended up getting together, and then Ali introduced me to Watch. I think that by being in the peer setting and being in the relationship, it comes back to that authenticity and being able to gently challenge the other person or the view, and also being able to not abandon ourselves and speak for those things that come up, and that adds to the authenticity. It keeps things real.
Yeah, definitely.
Scene 4, take 1.
So Patrick, you came to Gillingham Grange. You have been here now for about a month, would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been doing your induction and you've done some of your training, and you came to us highly recommended from the Watch project here in Chard. So how does it make you feel working here at Gillingham Grange?
I wish I got the right words to express this. Coming to the UK as a migrant, still on process, and it makes me, you should try to be a better person of yourself. One has to be very hopeful and resilient and compassionate, because working with Gillingham, not only just about me supporting myself, but contributing to the States, then having this empathy for residents. Like they used to say, there is no 2 days in this job.
Correct.
Not 2 days are the same.
Yes,
Sorry, if I got
correct.
it right.
Very right.
It's inside me now.
Good.
Doing this job, supporting vulnerable people, then at the same time doing my e-learnings. It's amazing. I'm enjoying every bit of this job.
Fab.
Yes.
That's great. I'm glad we can be
And
a
it
part of
has impacted my life positively. Yes.
Good, good. That's lovely to hear.
Thank you.
for
Welcome.
sharing that. Thank
Welcome.
you.
And action, Matt.
So Matt, how did you hear about the Watch project?
Well, it all started back in early 2024. I was working with my work coach and Abby Phillips, and she's got contact with the Chard Watch project. She said I might be a good candidate to join the Watch project. With your skills and experience, I thought I'll be able to help with IT skills with members. So I went along to the first session. We got introduced, that sort of thing, and that's how it all started.
Yeah, and you've actually been helping one of the members with their book, haven't you?
Yes, and he approached me asking, could you help me redesign my book cover? So I started going home, drawing up some sketches and actually designing this new book. In the end, we got to a design that he really liked. And he asked me to put something about in the acknowledgements page about me, how I got involved in his work. So I've got my name in the book and also on the back of the book, the back cover. So it helps me to put his book, a copy of his book, into my portfolio. So that gave me a big boost.
Scene 5, take 1.
Action.
So Craig, you've been in part of Watch, I think for around a year now. What sort of activities have you taken part in since joining the Watch project?
I remember the first day we did some art. You were doing watercolour painting, which I really liked actually. That was a nice introduction to it actually. I've done a few things. I think we went to a farm, a Magdalene farm, and we did some things, planting trees and in the river.
I think that was the day my wellies filled up with water, which was really good.
You had holes in your
Yes,
your
I did,
wellies, didn't you? You had wet feet.
Yep.
And then the quiet corner, where we can discuss ideas, topics of the day. Because I think I'm a bit of a deep thinker sometimes. So that was nice to be around in a nice place, safe environment, with like-minded people.
Cut.
Okay.
Really good.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Really
Yay.
Oh,
It's like whipping off a plaster, isn't it?
Yeah, gosh.
so we can switch the cameras off. So.
You did it, you did it, you did it, you did it.
Yes,